With Management Information System, the organization's management can make better decisions concerning the allocation of staff and resources. So it's important in the workplace since it can process and interpret massive amounts of data from multiple sources and generate detailed reports that companies can use to make informed business decisions. In this video, we will talk about the largest bank in the Middle East in Saudi Arabia, going into its online banking system, summarizing their problem, solution, management level, IT infrastructure, business process, and last thing is systems impact. Many customers have trouble opening an account, so they prefer to be able to register an account in the bank with ease and speed, and to enable them to manage their money effectively, safely, and easily. Also, the customers want to manage their accounts around the clock from anywhere in the world so that they can do money transfer and bill payment without any effort, and instead of visiting the bank branch and delaying the customer from the appointment due to transportation and even delaying the implementation of customer demand due to long queue. Bank branch is impossible to be available for 24 hours. However, banks also want to reduce costs by reducing the number of workers and number of materials used for self-registration and gain customer loyalty by offering them the best experience. For this purpose, many banks began to use the registration system, transfer money, and pay bills online, which effectively solved this problem. A management information system is a set of combined procedures that gathers and produces reliable, relevant, and properly organized data that supports the decision-making process of an organization. To sum up, it is a group of processes through which data is obtained, sorted, and displayed in a useful way for decision-making purposes. And the management information systems are very useful tools to review and control banks' operations. The main goal of these systems is to organize all data collected from every level of the bank, summarize it, and present it in a way that facilitates and improves the quality of the decisions being made to increase the bank's profitability and productivity. The management information system enables customers to be able to register an account in the bank with ease and speed, and enables them to manage their money effectively, securely, and easily, and manage their accounts from anywhere in the world. It also provides them with money transfer service, integrated remote banking service. We don't have to visit a branch to make payments, opportunity to make payments from anywhere in the world, even outside the bank's operating hours, reducing the likelihood of operating errors. There is no need to manually fill out payment orders, which helps to avoid errors, guaranteed security level, high data protection against unauthorized access using certified cryptographic tools.
Now, I will talk about an important point, which is the relationship between the solution and the problem. Banks faced many huge difficulties in the past. Before the heavy reliance on management information systems, most notably the huge cost in the bank and the constant need to increase the number of employees with every increase in the volume of business and services provided. Second, the loss of many customers due to delays in providing services and the low quality of services provided and making mistakes that have an impact on daily operations. At the present time, banks have become dependent on the automation of the banking system, with the availability of reliable information storage, and the purpose of that is efficient access to the information needed, the accuracy of information, and its availability at any time from anywhere, in addition to being as secure as possible against unauthorized access. Also, it works to address the problem by automating the banking system is that it keeps the work open and available 24 hours a day. It used to take days to open a customer's bank account, but now it takes 30 minutes or even less. Alrajihi Bank depends on management information systems to provide banking services to customers. The bank offers customers the ability to open bank accounts, pay utility and telephone bills, and other services via mobile phone or personal computer, which is a completely free service that has contributed to the bank's cost reduction and increased employee productivity. In addition to the previously mentioned features, the system allows you to obtain complete information about your money and perform operation on it, such as transferring money to another current account, transferring money to buy bus, train or plane tickets, and paying for personal services such as the internet, insurance, and government services such as traffic fines, corporate taxes.
Management level. We have been talking about the management information system for Alrajihi Bank, which helps managers by providing reports and online services to customers of the companies. It is designed for intermediate managers in the center of the management hierarchy. MIS helps them manage and govern the business as well as anticipate future performance using data from the transaction processing system. Furthermore, it is response to common middle management question. However, in center case, MIS can help senior managers in making unstructured judgments since they are able to make the best and most timely decisions for the benefit of the organization.
Infrastructure is the foundation that supports the system in an organization. The IT department ensures that the organization's system connects and functions perfectly. They monitor the performance of applications, services, and infrastructure and overlook their security as well. IT infrastructure affects a bank's competitive performance. It is the foundation for business systems. It has three components: the physical system, networks, and software. But the top IT infrastructure components for a bank's online registration system is: first, computer hardware platform, which is a compatible hardware that software applications run on. It provides the base for shared services when there is a large range of business applications. Second, internet platforms. It relates to the bank's general networking infrastructure, hardware, and software platforms. Third, data management and storage. Database management software and storage devices handle data management, including traditional storage methods and newer network-based storage, helping banks keep a database of all clients' activity.
Business process and business functions. The online banking system of Alrajihi Bank consists of three areas, which are front-end, back-end, and third-part integration. At first, the front end of the system for opening an account or setting up online operations begins when the customers log in to the website or application. When the customers want to open an account for the first time, he must fill in all the required information, such as name, national ID, date of birth, gender, and extra. Then the account opening is confirmed by sending an email or SMS after checking and verifying the data entered through Abshir. In the last step of opening the account opening process is confirmed by the customers receiving a message with the current account number, IBAN, and the customer's username. Then customers can search and view account summary, transfer money, or pay bills. Then they can decide the amount of money to be transferred or paid to a particular person or special organization. After that, customer verify the operation to be performed by filling in all the required information, like name, account number, and extra. Then the operation is confirmed through a verification code that is sent to the customer's phone. In the last step of the system, customers receive a message confirming the operation, whether it is a transfer or payment by SMS. The back-end. Core banking operations make up all the background updates in the banking industry. These processes include customer data updates, accounting reconciliations, and overdraft protection. After the system is fully set up, managers and organizational staff can use the system to carry out their daily activities and get real-time reports. They can guarantee their clients to reduce fraud. They can also process credit and debit cards and update bank records. Moreover, they are keen to let us know if there is maintenance in the app for a limited time. Third-party integrations are the ecosystem that organizations use to connect anything they need to continue processing their business. In addition, it allows other institutions to verify customer information and verify the transaction. Also accept transfer money and pay bills online at the time of the transaction by processing it. Record all transactions made through the customer's account and more.
The requirements change in the banking industry made the management of information technology a crucial role, especially in service sectors such as banking. The use of MIS in Alrajihi Bank remarkably impacted performance and improved productivity. MIS system saves time because it cuts a significantly large portion of the process, decreasing the amount of time it takes to do work and making it easy to access the bank services at any time. To summarize the main points of our talk, companies are keen to keep up with the development of technology methods used in various fields these days because of their importance in company management by providing the necessary human effort to deal with programs and applications. We discussed how digital transformation and the use of management information systems helped Alrajihi Bank increase efficiency and customer satisfaction. We identified the issues that the bank was having and how they were resolved using MIS. The video concluded with the IT infrastructure used in the system and its impact on the business processes.